In today's video, I am going to teach you how to protect a worksheet in Excel. Protecting a worksheet is one of the best ways to keep important data from being changed accidentally. It also helps you control which actions other people can take, without locking the sheet in a way that makes it unusable. In this walkthrough, you will protect a worksheet so that editing is restricted, while still allowing the specific permissions you choose. First, click the Review tab on the top ribbon menu. This is where Excel gathers the tools for checking, auditing, and protecting your workbook. When you click the Review tab, look for the Protect group on the ribbon. The Protect group contains the commands you need to lock down your sheet. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct area, since the protection options are not on other tabs. Next, click the Protect Sheet button in the Protect group. After you click this button, a Protect Sheet dialog box will appear. This dialog is where you define how the sheet will be protected. You will also choose what actions users can perform while the protection is active, so it is a key step for getting the behavior you want. Now, type a secure password into the password text entry field. Choose a password that you can remember, because you will need it again if you want to remove or change protection later. For the purpose of this tutorial, focus on entering the password exactly in the field provided. Avoid extra spaces at the beginning or end, and do not mistype any characters, since Excel will treat the password as case-sensitive in most cases. After you set the password, you will see a series of checkboxes for actions you can allow. Verify the checkboxes for actions you want to let users perform. This is where you decide what is still available under protection. For example, some users may only need to select cells or view information, while others might need to format cells or work with certain features. Review each option carefully and make sure it matches your goal. If you are unsure, start with the minimal set of permissions and allow only what you truly need. Once you have chosen the permissions you want, click the OK button at the bottom of the dialog box. This confirms the initial protection settings. At this point, Excel will prompt you to confirm the password, which is an important safety check. The extra confirmation helps prevent accidental mistakes, since the protection will not work correctly if the password does not match. Then retype your password into the confirmation text box prompt window. This is your chance to verify that the password you entered matches the original password. Take your time here and type it the same way again. When you are satisfied it is correct, click the OK button in the confirmation window to proceed. Now click the OK button to lock editing on your sheet cells. Excel applies the protection to the worksheet, which means users will be restricted from editing areas that are protected. Depending on your permissions, they may be able to interact with the sheet in limited ways, but they should not be able to freely edit the protected cells. Finally, click cell A2 and try typing to verify it is protected. This simple test confirms that the protection setting is working as expected. If the sheet is properly protected, Excel should prevent editing in that cell, or it will show an alert that the sheet is protected. If you can type in a 2 without any message, then something about the protection settings is not applied as you intended, and you would go back to the Protect Sheet dialog to adjust it. And that covers everything you need to know. You now know how to protect a worksheet in Excel, and how to confirm that the protection is working correctly.